Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download keywords from Google Ads. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze your keyword performance offline, share data with your team, or create backup records of your campaigns. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, take a look at the left navigation bar where you'll find several menu options. Locate and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your active and paused campaigns and gives you access to the detailed performance metrics you need. Once you've clicked on Campaigns, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. Look for the drop-down labeled Audiences, Keywords, and Content and click on it. This drop-down is where Google Ads organizes all the targeting and content elements of your campaigns, making it easy to access specific data sets without navigating through multiple pages. From the options that appear in this drop-down, click on Keywords. This action will direct you to your Keywords Overview page, which displays all the keywords currently being used across your selected campaign. Here you can see important metrics like impressions, clicks, cost per click, and conversion data. It's a comprehensive view that helps you understand how each keyword is performing in real time. Now that you're on the Keywords page, look toward the header section of your keywords list. You'll find a button labeled Download positioned prominently at the top. Click on this button to initiate the download process. A file type selection window will appear, giving you several format options to choose from. Select the file type that best suits your needs, whether that's CSV for Excel analysis, Google Sheets for collaborative work, or another format. Each format has its advantages depending on how you plan to use the data. After selecting your preferred file type, the download will begin automatically. Depending on the size of your keyword list, this might take just a few seconds. Once the download is complete, you'll find the file in your browser's default download location, ready for you to open and analyze. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your keywords from Google Ads, giving you the flexibility to work with your data outside the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.